Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at two mainline Hot Wheels castings from 2023. If I'm correct, because these are some pretty old castings. You got this is 2023 corner. Then if you're looking for, I think, no, I actually don't know the years. Wait, what's the black corner mean? Oh shoot. Oh, these are 2022, I think, of the blue part. Then 2023 has more darker color with being lighter. Then for 2025, we got the white corner. Then 2024 is the white corner. And 2025 has a weird space backdrop. But yeah, anyways, guys, we're going to be taking a look at these two models. The Lamborghini Sián FKP 37, the Automobili Pininfarina in yellow. Yeah, let's crack them open. First one we're going to take a look at, the Automobili Pininfarina from Hot Wheels Exotics. Gonna make this quick. Let's make this ripping quick. Alrighty. This is a magnificent casting in that yellow. Put it here quick. Get a quick spin. But yeah, this car is really cool. It has this like nice sunset yellow with the back headlight tampos and back headlights. That beautiful little, what's it called again? I forget. License plates, and the top is just fully plastic. It's all around tampos. Headlights in this little line. Wheels have no paint on them. But still, awesome casting. Love the color. But yeah, let us take a look. But still, the roll on this thing is actually pretty nice. Focus. There we go. Pretty cool casting. So pretty awesome. But yeah, let's take a look. Lamborghini Sián in green. Been wanting to open this one up for a while. Oh man, do you hear that? That's, oh my god, that's how you know it's old. Look at that. Oh my god, just crusted open. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, we got scratched. Whatever. Who cares even at the moment? The paint on this is very smooth, not like this paint where it's like kind of, you see what I mean, right? More thicker paint. Still beautiful car. Let's take a look. And this thing has all around tampos. Front Lamborghini logo. The headlights are painted. Beautiful green chrome wheels. And oh, my camera's unfocusing. And this beautiful backside. Oh my god, look at that. Look at the headlights. Sián with the red. The whole body of this car is beautiful. Oh, I love that darkish green. Same thing with the skyline. But yeah. Anyways, guys. I think this was a pretty good matchup with these two castings. But yeah, guys. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. And yeah. I'll see you guys later. Hope you have a great day. And yeah. See ya. Give you one more spin around, and that's it. Wish I had a professional camera. Would have been able to see these cars better. Yeah, pretty sick.